Hi guys, off for a walk. Come join me. I'll take some more videos as I go along. So yeah, that's me. Let's go. There's no signs of any animals yet. There's a big bird in the sky. Let's see if we come across some animals today. Walk has just started. So let's see. I'm not going to go down that way. I'll go this way. But I can't go to the top of that ridge there. I'm not allowed past a certain point here. So yeah. Hi guys. Sure you've noticed. There's nobody with me. It's just me. Unfortunately, for the fifth time now, maybe even the sixth, Awami was Awami, and I don't know if she will be back. Yeah, I miss her every day. Still love her very much, but yeah, I can't. I just can't anymore. It's not fair what happened. A lot of things were said. So obviously when a person's mad, they might say things that they don't really mean, but it comes out in any case. So yeah, Awami, if you're listening to this, I do love you, and I wish you weren't so full of shit sometimes. I've been trying hard, but yeah, you're gone. Part of my life is gone. So anyway, getting closer to the water again. Oops. Just done 2k so far, 2.18. Average of just over 10 minutes a kilometer. So yeah, let's go. Bit tricky, yeah. Switch hands quickly. Okay, let's go up these stairs. Oh, they've gotten quite slippery. Must have been an old house once upon a time, or something. Like a room through here. Previously it looked like there was all sorts of funny things going on here. Bathrooms, a bit of an entertainment area. And now we're back out again. Yeah, starts the climbing. One, it's this continuous up, up, up. Time to get the heart rate going. Let's see what we can get it to. Wait for the view when we get to the top. Still coming. It's still coming. Bit of a flatter section now. There we go, up again. Heart rate going up and climbing. Let's see if we can get to 180. Almost there. Oh. Remember the first time my mum and I came up here together, oh, she was battling. She had to rest for 5 minutes at the top of the hill. Oh. Almost there. And here we are. Oh, that tree there marks the top point. We're going to go past some zebras just now. I see them there. Sure we time to catch my breath quickly. Got some zebras just chilling here. That must be dad, mom and child. Yeah, that's a big pile of shit, that. Just sitting in the grass, laying there. Let's go. We were all the way up on top of that ridge just now. Previously I've seen the ostrich around here. Today there's no ostrich. Oh, lucky me. This is Rhinodon. This is where they sleep at night. And luckily I'm downwind so they can't smell me. But just ahead of us we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rhino. Such beautiful animals. And they get murdered for their horns. I'm not going to venture too much closer than this. When that boy's running, he can run. So I've already run almost 4 kilometers walk. He sees me. Don't worry, I'm going. Don't worry. I'm going. See ya. It was nice to know ya. All stretched down to the damn wall. Good walk, almost 6 k's already. So yeah. Here comes people. Smell reminds me of the sea. Oh, need to go and visit Nick. Nearly headless Nick. Yeah, we'll arrange that circle. A nice road trip. Take a bite and just have fun.